Range of motion can have a major impact on your VA disability claim if your disability is related to an injury or disease of your bones, joints, ligaments, muscles, and tendons. Range of motion is a key factor in determining the severity of your condition and directly influences the disability rating which will be assigned by the VA. In general, the more limited your range of motion, the higher your disability rating will be, because it is an indicator of your functional impairment, which affects your daily life. Military service is physically demanding, so it comes as no surprise to anyone that many veterans have debilitating joint issues. If you are a veteran with joint-related medical issues, you may be eligible for VA disability benefits, but it is not always easy to qualify for disability pay. As a veteran, you served your country. You've earned your benefits, but the VA has complicated rules and procedures to qualify. It can get confusing, but that's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, hit the subscribe button. As with any claim for VA disability, to be granted benefits for joint issues, you must meet 3 criteria. First, you must have an official diagnosis of your condition from a VA-approved medical professional. Typically, you must also be able to point to a specific incident in your military service that could have caused your condition, which is the second criterion. This event or the conditions you served under that caused your disability may be recorded in your service record. And finally, your doctor must provide proof of a medical nexus. That is a connection that shows your joint problems are a result of your military service. A nexus letter from your doctor can be crucial in helping you get your application approved. After you submit a claim for joint issue disability, the VA will most likely schedule you for a compensation and pension exam. The C&P examiner will assess how much pain you have in your affected joints, how much functional loss you have due to joint pain and weakness, and they will measure your range of motion. Range of motion testing begins with a baseline measurement. After the initial assessment, the C&P examiner must perform repetitive use testing. This involves repeating the range of motion test at least 3 times to observe any changes or additional limitations that can occur with repeated motion. The results of these tests will be evaluated against the VA's range of motion chart, and your condition will be assigned a rating on a sliding scale from 0% to 100%. Because filing for disability can be complicated and sometimes frustrating, hiring an experienced VA disability attorney to help you with your claim just makes good sense. At Cuddigan Law, we examine each case individually, develop the best strategy, and work with you to submit your claim or file an appeal if it's been denied. We only get paid when you win your case. Call us for a free evaluation of your situation.